Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dr. Mike, and if you're here, you're probably interested in the human body, just like me. Every day, millions of people hit up YouTube searching for answers about how their bodies work. But have you ever wondered which of these amazing organs get the most attention online? Well, get ready because today we're diving deep into the top 5 most viewed organs on YouTube. And trust me, this isn't just about satisfying your curiosity. This is about understanding how the food you put in your body directly affects these vital organs. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make healthy choices that support your body from the inside out. Let's get started. Okay, let's kick things off with the #1 most Googled organ, the stomach and gut. And let me tell you, it's no surprise this dynamic duo takes the top spot. Think about it. Your gut is basically a universe within itself, home to trillions of bacteria that have a huge impact on your overall health. Processed foods, added sugars, artificial ingredients, they wreak havoc on that delicate bacterial balance we're talking about. So, what can you do? Well, it's all about feeding your gut the good stuff. Think fiber-rich fruits and veggies, fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, and prebiotic powerhouses like oats and bananas. Remember, a happy gut equals a happy you. Coming in at number 2, we've got the lungs, and let me tell you, these guys are the unsung heroes of your body, working 24/7 to keep you alive and kicking. Air pollution, smoking, and even a diet lacking in antioxidants can damage delicate lung tissue. So how do we protect these vital organs? Well, first and foremost, if you're a smoker, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your lung health. Beyond that, a diet rich in antioxidants can help combat the damaging effects of pollutants and inflammation. Think colorful fruits and veggies, leafy greens, and foods rich in vitamin C. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the liver, your body's ultimate detoxifier and multitasking champion. Seriously, this organ does it all. It filters your blood, removing toxins and waste products. It produces bile, essential for digesting fats. Over time, this constant overload can lead to fatty liver disease, inflammation, and even scarring, compromising its ability to perform those essential functions. The good news is you can show your liver some love with a diet that supports its natural detoxification processes. Hydration is key. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day to help flush out toxins. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower as well as garlic and onions contain compounds that support liver function. Coming in at number 4 is the heart, the tireless engine that keeps you alive and kicking. This incredible organ beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping oxygen-rich blood throughout your entire body. We're talking about saturated and trans fats, excessive sodium and added sugars, all of which contribute to heart disease, high cholesterol, and other cardiovascular issues. So, how do we keep this vital organ running smoothly? It's all about adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle. That means a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, as well as nuts and seeds, are also beneficial for heart health. Rounding out our top 5 is the brain, the command center of your entire being. This complex organ is responsible for your thoughts, emotions, memories, movements, basically, everything that makes you, you. We're talking about brain fog, memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and even an increased risk of cognitive decline as we age. So, how do we protect our most valuable asset? Well, it all starts with nourishing our brains with the right nutrients. Think about it, your brain thrives on healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies like blueberries and spinach combat oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells. So, there you have it, the top 5 most viewed organs on YouTube, and the incredible ways the food you eat can either help or hinder their function. We've covered the gut, the lungs, the liver, the heart, and the brain, all essential organs that deserve a little extra TLC. By focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods and limiting processed junk, you're giving your organs the fuel they need to thrive. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content on how to optimize your health, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Please subscribe to the channel for more health tips and updates. Your body will thank you for it.